Hello, giraffe. I'll give you something to eat. Wow, wow, wow. I fly too high. Look, this is a naughty cat. I'm hungry. Don't turn me. I'll give you a massage. You have to pay me back for that. Dad, I'm in the middle. Good morning, my little mistress. Can I sit on your head? Get out of the way. Let me exercise with you. Hello, I'm here. Makes my hair look silky. She can still smile. Haze! Hey, you. There's something stuck in your butt. Hey, you. I also want to exercise to lose weight. See how cute I am? Please take care of me. Are not. I don't want to carry it. Very dizzy. I need to sleep. Please let me go to sleep. Oh my God! While sleeping, it rained. I don't want to get acquainted. Don't touch me. I do not go anywhere. I want to sleep. What a fragrant smell. Aye. The food is so delicious. Let go of the string. It's mine, not yours.